Little Bird. What's going on with this anyways? In other territories, Little Bird was released as a standalone single. Alright, unofficial, but standalone in some places. Played it in the 2012 Summer Olympics ceremony. I think we saw a picture for that. Yeah, here it is right here. Pretty cool. Costumes look sick. Dance and pop rock. Alright, let's see if we can pull anything else interesting from here. Who's in the movie Striptease? Up-tempo dance song. Sensitively written and brilliantly produced, with emphasis being placed on the song's ability to express emotions that a considerable amount of listeners could relate to. Story of recovery and self-empowerment. Vibrant sight. Loop, not quite unlike many old Eurythmics songs. Synth-driven thumper that harks back to the early Eurythmics tenure. Icy cool instrumentation, contrast by passionate vocal. Okay. Alright, I'm so ready. Here we go. Actually, let me go back and see what's going on here with these views here. Yeah, alright, thank you. I'm glad that I feel a little bit justified in thinking that this was really good. It actually has more streams than the single right here, Precious. Alright. Ooh, very popular. Okay. Oh! Ah. Yep. Oof. Yeah, that is so fun. Scoot on down, everything else. That's a banger right there. Wowza. Let me pause that. This one's going on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm in the middle of an album reaction. This is what I do. As I listen to the album, I rank the songs. I only put bangers on the list, though. What I consider something a banger is like something I really want to listen to again. Something that stands out from the rest of the songs on the album. So far, I mean, we're 7 for 7, so they all stand out. Don't remember the last time that's happened. All 7 songs so far have been really good. And I can say that, like, genuinely. I will caution you guys, since I did mention the album reaction thing, and now I'm talking to YouTube, basically. The first 4 songs are omitted from this reaction. We had a little mishap. But anyways, yeah. The album is absolutely fire so far. That's just amazing. That was so fun. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's gonna be my favorite song from the album. I know that for sure now because we only have 3 left. I just know that. So yeah, dance, pop rock. Yeah, I didn't know we were gonna get a synth banger like that, but sheesh, we'll take it. Should have just made that a single, like everywhere, not just territory. Based on, I don't know, whatever they did with the territory that they decided to. I don't know. You get what I'm saying? Should have been somewhere. Should have been everywhere. Jeez. All right.